To use quick share to share your Wi-Fi connection to a nearby device in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap the setting icon next to your current Wi-Fi network. Tap share network icon at the bottom of the screen. As a note, before sharing your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that the recipient has quick share and Bluetooth turned on in the quick panel and their screen is on. Next, select the device you like to share with. As the example, I will share it to my Galaxy A23. You can see that in the Galaxy A23, the phone is receiving the Wi-Fi info through the quick share and is now connected to the Wi-Fi network that has been shared. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.